Is your internet slower than a snail in molasses? Let's settle the score, Spectrum Internet versus mobile internet, and figure out which one's the champion for your needs in just 90 seconds. First, the tech. Spectrum uses traditional cable internet, plugging directly into your walls. Mobile uses 5G wireless technology, meaning all you need is their gateway and a power outlet. This makes mobile super easy to set up, almost plug and play, while Spectrum often requires professional installation. Next, let's talk speed. Spectrum generally offers faster download speeds, often exceeding 300 Mbps or more, making it ideal for heavy gamers and streamers. Mobile speeds can vary depending on location and network congestion, typically ranging from 33 to 245 megabits per second, still great for most households, but Spectrum usually wins this round. Coverage is key. Spectrum is widely available in areas with existing cable infrastructure. Mobile's availability depends on their 5G network coverage, which is constantly expanding but might not be available in all rural areas. Check each provider's website to see who offers service in your area. Now, the big one. Price. Spectrum's pricing can vary depending on the plan and promotions, and often includes added fees. Mobile often offers a simpler, fixed monthly price, making it easier to budget. Check both providers' websites for pricing information, as it always changes. The verdict: if blazing fast speeds and you have access to it, Spectrum is the clear winner. Mobile's simplicity, ease of setup, and fixed pricing make it a strong contender, especially if you're in an area with good 5G coverage and don't need the highest possible speeds. Check the links in the description below to compare plans and pricing for yourself.